parking before I cross the road here. The parking lot. I know, I'm like the guy. I don't even know if they understand the meaning of that. Look both ways before you cross the street up here. It's too funny. It's funny, but it's not funny. One of those things. Okay, so we're back at Alice National because we're going to try the frozen yogurt here. They seem to have them a lot down here in Santo Domingo. And of course, you know, we have them in Canada as well. So let's see what it tastes like down here. Oh, the breeze, right? It's a nice breeze tonight. France, that car? Yeah, that vehicle? Okay. The same like what we have in Canada, right? Okay, somebody has to take out the translator to translate. It won't be me. In this video, I decided to switch it up a little because the store was playing music that was copyright and had some other restrictions, so here we go. Our first challenge here was trying to determine which are frozen yogurt and which are ice cream. I normally just get vanilla without anything added, but when my daughter asked for vanilla, the lady told her that they don't sell vanilla here. But for those of you that are familiar with this frozen yogurt place, you do know that they do have vanilla. It's just a matter of them taking the frozen yogurt bar and running it through the machine without adding any fruits to it. So unfortunately, I was unable to get the vanilla flavor here at this Santo Domingo location, but I did get it at another Santo Domingo location. So we had to decide on another flavor to get, which made the process take that much longer to place the order. For those of you who think that you can go to Santo Domingo, Dominican Republic and get by without knowing how to speak Spanish or have some sort of translating device to Spanish, boy, are you sadly mistaken. Let me tell you, our handy dandy Google Translator came in handy on several occasions. As you can see at some point in this video, my daughter having to take out her phone and have the lady speak into it so that we were able to communicate with her. So when my daughter held the phone to the lady's mouth, it was translating it to English for us to understand exactly what she was saying. In my opinion, the only way you'll get around without a translator or knowing how to speak Spanish while in the Dominican Republic is if you're staying on a resort. You'll find that more people on the resort speak English. At least that's what I found the last time we stayed on a resort in Punta, Cana, Dominican Republic. After you finish watching this video, be sure to watch my other video on the crazy drive it took to get to this frozen yogurt place. It was such a lot of honking horn, motorbikes zooming in and out between the cars, which is just another ordinary drive while in Santo Domingo, Dominican Republic. Also, don't forget to show some love and support by simply liking and sharing this video and subscribing as well. That way I can continue to bring you more great content. Continue watching this video until the end. Enjoy.
Want to sit here for a bit? Oh, it's gone. Okay, yeah. It's beautiful out here. The breeze is blowing a little bit. This is like what you think is like a Shoppers Drug Mart type of thing?